Hi everyone, right now we're going to talk about how to add an image to a pre-existing video using iMovie. So what you want to do first is open up iMovie and create a new project, which I've already done here. And then what we're going to do is drag our already created video and move it over into the project here and place it on the timeline. As you see, this video is just of a unicorn sort of talking. And then what we want to do is grab the image that we have and drag that over on top of the video here that's on the timeline. So what we have right here is the sort of logo of our channel here, and I'm going to drag that over here, put it on top here. Okay, as you see right now, well, I'll just move this over to the beginning so you know what I'm talking about a little bit better. As you see, it's covering up the video, right? Well, what you want to do right now is, right here, we have a little drop-down menu that says Video Overlay Style. So right now it's on Cutaway, but what you want to do instead is go down to Picture in Picture. And that way, we now have an image that is smaller that we can put anywhere we want on the video, and we can resize it if you want to, make it bigger, make it even smaller, but I actually kind of like the way it was already. So now we can put it in the corner here, you know, to kind of create a watermark for this video, letting people know, hey, this is the How To Tech Guys video here. And then you just press the check mark here, and now that'll exist up until you see this point right here where it stops. Now you just need to just drag this over toward the end here so that it exists for the whole video. And by the way, as you see here, I'm going to zoom in, we have these fades here actually that are created. Now you can make the fades longer if you want, you know, so it's a slower fade, or you can just create no fade at all and move it all the way, you know, to the side here. And when you do it on one side, it happens to the other as well. So now that we have no fade, it's actually there for the whole duration of the video. Now, a little trick you can do is if you want one side to have a fade and the other side not have a fade. So let's say you want to fade in, for instance, but you don't want it to fade out. Well, we'll make a cut here. Okay, and what you need to do for that is just press Command B. And then now we have two segments here for our logo. And you know, right here, this one segment here on the second segment here, the fade is only existing on one side now. And so now we just need to drag that over, and now we only have a fade in, and now we just don't have a fade out. So that's another little trick you can do if you want. And after you're all done setting the image how you want on the movie, then all you just need to do is export the movie. And we'll just call this video with image. And to just retain the quality of the video as best as possible, I like to go to the highest resolution for my version of iMovie and go on quality high. You could do best if you want, but that takes quite a while. High is good enough, I think. And we'll press next, and we'll save it to our desktop here. And I'll just take a moment to export. Okay, now it's done exporting, so let's just go back to our desktop, and we have our video here, video with image, and let's just check it out. And there we are. The image is the way we want it to be set in the video, and we'll just fast forward to the end. And as you see, it stays there all the way into the end without a fade. the way we intended it to be. And that's how you add an image to a pre-existing video using iMovie.